In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move the Microsoft OneNote page list to the right. Customizing the layout of OneNote can make your note-taking experience more intuitive and tailored to your workflow. Moving the page list from the left side of the screen to the right is a simple adjustment, but it can make navigating your notebooks feel smoother and more comfortable, especially if you prefer reading from left to right or just want a cleaner workspace. To start, open Microsoft OneNote and load the notebook you want to work in. Once your notebook is open, you'll need to access the settings where OneNote allows you to customize its display. These settings are the central hub for adjusting how panels, menus, and lists appear across your workspace. At the top of the screen, locate the File tab and click on it. The File menu provides access to deeper configuration options within OneNote. From here, scroll down to the bottom and select Options. This opens a comprehensive window where you can control different aspects of how OneNote looks and functions, making it the perfect place to adjust your page list position. Inside the Options window, click on Display from the list on the left. The display settings are specifically designed to manage the visual layout of your workspace, giving you control over where panels and lists are positioned. Scroll down within these settings until you find the horizontal tabs layout section. This section contains the key control for moving your page list. You'll see a checkbox labeled Move Pages List to the left. By default, this option is usually enabled, which is why your pages appear on the left side of the screen. To move your page list to the right, simply uncheck this box. Disabling this option instructs OneNote to display your page list on the right side instead. This small adjustment instantly changes the layout of your workspace. Once you've unchecked the box, click OK to apply your changes. You'll immediately see your page list shift to the right side of OneNote, providing a layout that may better suit your workflow and visual preferences. This simple customization can enhance your note-taking efficiency and make your workspace more comfortable. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.